think she's gonna get somebody fucking.
You see the size of that chicken?
Can you see damn?
Isn't in the way?
Well, I was trying to get that fucking hair joke.
That what? Well, maybe I can pick it up and get it out. So. Hey.
Thank you.
Yeah, I wasn't the reason it was missing. Pick what?
I didn't say.
Ha! I'm not the only one that can't keep running.
You're supposed to rev it up a couple times before you kill it.
I thought he was going to start it again.
I did too. Need some help getting out?
We can call Big John, he'll have you out in a minute. I can call Doug, he'll have you out even faster. Come on, admit it, you like being picked up by Doug.
Manhandled.
Yeah. Very cool.
Put me down.
Put me down, damn it.
$1,000 good.
$10,000 hook with the small round, the old round headlights on it, like the old Peterbilt. It was a custom hood.
I thought you were going to tell me it was calibration head. I notice how it's being a lot more careful now.
Them other horses over there backing up and fuck that woman, she got a whip.
What's wrong? This bitch has lost her mind.
She's gonna come over here and whip us next.
I do have a video of that concert. I was like, you want to see how many people was there? Look at my phone.
I went on a service call one time, been years ago, to the amphitheater to work on a truck for some band that was out of Austin.
You got hold up?
Yep.
I think it's just catching the edge right there where the threads are at.
See if you can tap it, sucker.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's fucking bouncing here.
What you may have to do, you may have to knock it back out and get that stud and knock the stud
Oh,
over.
hand me a piece of pipe right there. Cleaning this. Yeah. That fucking power bar stick right through there.
And an awful big piece of pipe for that, but okay.
You want it up here?
No, right through here in front of this tire.
Now what do you want me to do?
Go up with it.
That motorcycle don't sound too healthy, does it?
Tap on it, see if it does anything. Nothing?
Sounds pretty fucking solid. Good, like you said, take it out and
Take it out and just tap that ball joint. Because, yeah, that's going to be pretty damn.
It's gonna be
It's gonna be
really
stiff.
damn stiff.
Just see if you can tap it over just a little bit.
Because if you notice, it is really stiff trying to go up and down with it too.
yeah.
They're really bad, man.
I don't know what kind of fucking nuts it were. I guess it's like locking that.
Even though you think after, well, it wasn't on the car all this time, though I took it off after I took it to the farm. You know, you think sitting in the trailer after all this time would, you know, kind of loosened it up.
Did it move any?
I can't really tell. I don't think it did. Boy, that motherfucker's dead. I don't think it did either.
Feel like it.
Yeah, damn. Well, if we can get stiff like that, we ought to be happy.